Talk about whether schools should teach life skills.
First of all, what do we mean by life skills? Life skills are practical abilities that help people manage everyday challenges and succeed in real life. These include things like financial literacy, how to manage money and budget, communication skills, problem solving, time management, basic cooking and nutrition, first aid, and even emotional intelligence, understanding and managing your feelings and relationships. Many people believe that schools should definitely teach life skills alongside traditional academic subjects like math, science, and literature. Why? Because while academic knowledge is important, it doesn't always prepare students for the real world. For example, knowing how to do complex math problems is useful, but knowing how to manage your monthly expenses or how to communicate effectively in a team is essential for everyday life and future employment. In today's fast changing world, life skills are becoming more and more necessary. Young people face a lot of pressure with jobs, relationships, health, and social media. Schools could play a big role in preparing students to handle these challenges by teaching skills that help with decision making, stress management, and teamwork. This kind of education can also build confidence and independence, which are important qualities for success. On the other hand, some people argue that schools already have a lot to cover, and adding life skills might take time away from academic subjects. They might say that life skills can be learned at home or through experience outside of school. While this is true to some extent, not every student has access to supportive families or opportunities to learn these skills outside school. That's why integrating life skills education into the school curriculum can help make sure everyone has the same chance to learn important lessons. Another reason why life skills should be taught at school is that these skills are transferable, meaning they are useful no matter what career you choose. For example, communication skills help in almost every job, whether you are a doctor, engineer, or artist. Problem solving and critical thinking are also highly valued by employers. When students learn these skills early, they can apply them in their studies, relationships, and future workplaces. If we look at some countries, we can see that life skills education has been successfully included in schools. For example, in Finland, the curriculum focuses not just on academic knowledge, but also on well being, social skills, and practical life lessons. Students there learn how to cooperate, manage their emotions, and solve real life problems. This approach has been linked to high student satisfaction and better mental health. Now, if you get this question in your IELTS speaking test, here are a few tips to answer it well. First, clearly state your opinion. Do you think schools should teach life skills? Then, support your opinion with reasons and examples. Try to use vocabulary related to education, personal development, and social skills such as curriculum, emotional intelligence, time management, budgeting, or communication skills. Also, use linking words like, for example, in addition, on the other hand, and therefore to make your answer smooth and logical. Remember, it's okay to mention different views and explain why you agree or disagree. This shows the examiner that you can discuss a topic thoughtfully and express balanced opinions. To sum up, I strongly believe that schools should teach life skills. These skills prepare students for the real world, help them face challenges confidently, and make them more independent and successful in life. While academic subjects remain important, combining them with practical life lessons can create well rounded individuals ready to contribute to society. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Ali Trainings Official for more IELTS speaking practice and English learning tips. And always remember, education is not just about passing exams, but about preparing yourself for life. Keep learning, keep growing, and believe in your potential to achieve great things. See you in the next video.